What is up, guys? Rob here, Bob Evans Classics. I got a lot update for you. Over 20 classic cars for sale. It's Memorial Day weekend 2023. I'm gonna go through all these cars, give you prices and details on everything. If you like this video and want to see more classic cars, please hit the subscribe button right now. You'll get notifications of all our classic cars as they come up for sale. Also hit the like button if you like this video. We'll start off on this side with the Toyotas before we get into the American Muscle. I got this 91 Toyota Land Cruiser. It's got 168,000 miles on it. There's no rust on it at all. Runs and drives very well. This one's listed at $12,500. Originally from South Carolina, clean undercarriage. Got another Toyota 89 pickup truck, SR5, about 180,000 miles on it. New head gasket, timing chain, no rot, no rust. Look at that frame. The frame's in perfect condition. Listed at $12,500 as well. Switch over to a Jeep TJ. It's a 2003 Sahara. It's got 130,000 miles on it. Just redid the frame. It's in perfect condition. It's got a winch on it, lift, tires. This one is $12,999, 13K. KC lights. We'll switch over to American Muscle. 74 Camaro 350 automatic. It's got no rust on it. Runs and drives very well. I got this one listed for $12,000 on this one. Got an 88 Trans Am GT I've had for a little while. This one's been lowered to 8,500. It's got 96,000 miles on it. 350. Runs and drives solid. It's a T-top car. And then we got 79 Corvette C3. It's got a little under 100,000 miles on it. Runs and drives well. It's not a show car, but a solid daily driver. This one's listed for $11,500. Then I got this 68 Mustang. I got to change the wheels. It's got Kragers in the front. I'm just waiting for the new tires to come in. We're going to swap the wheels. It's got a 302 in it. Runs and drives very solid. This one will be up for sale next week on our website. This one's going to be listed at $15,500 once the wheels go on. It's a solid driver, not a show car. Then we got the 71 Ford Torino Fastback GT 4-speed car, 351 Windsor. It's cammed up. Got this one just under 20 grand, 19,500. Then we got the GTO 68 automatic transmission, his and hers shifter. It's got a non-matching engine in it out of a Firebird. This one is garage kept its entire life. It comes from a single family owned. I got this one listed at $27,500. Clean undercarriage. And I got the 63 Fairlane 500. It's got a V8 260. It's a Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe. Again, father and son own this one. Well option car, power steering, AC car, no rust on it. The paint is not in great shape. It's starting to peel in spots. This one's listed at $14K. And we got the Beetle 72 Super Beetle, one owner. It's got low miles on it, 67,000 original miles, all documented. No rust, no rot, very clean for $14,000. And we got the 85 BMW E30 manual transmission. This one's $4,500. Then I'll take you over here to this nice Fastback Resto Mod. It's a 66 with a 302 fuel injected, 5-speed manual. Suspension's all been redone. Car's been all done up. This one's listed for $42,500. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes all the way around, rack and pinion. It's a nice car. Now we'll head over to some of the projects we have. This is our bargain bin. First up is a 68 Firebird convertible. This car is solid. There's no rust or rot on it. The back window is broken out, so it needs a new top. It needs to be detailed, and the transmission needs to be put back in. Engine's there. It's got a 350. This one we're going cheap. The way it sits, if I sell it, the way it sits, $12,500. If I start putting the tranny in it, get it ready, put a top on it, the price does go up. We got this 99 Wrangler. It's got 135,000 miles on it, no rust. A little bit on the fenders, but undercarriage is solid. This one's $5,500. The Sequoia and the FJ, we're waiting on titles, or not yet. We got this Highlander. It's an 06 with 150,000 miles. It's a wholesale unit, needs tires, needs a detail. This one I'll do cheap, $3,200. And we have this 67, 66, let me see, 67. This is a non-runner. It's got an inline 6 in it. I got to go through it. The undercarriage is super solid. I was going to restore this car, but I would sell the way it is for $5,000. Then I'll take you through the inside of the lot. I got another couple cars over here that we're working on that will be up soon. '66 Mustang coupe. It's 289, 4-speed with a factory bench seat, which is super rare. It's in pretty good shape. Got a little bit of bubbling on the door, but the undercarriage is in great shape. We just did all new brake work on it, headers on it, full exhaust, wheels. This thing is coming up soon. It's clean and it drives nice. A project for anybody interested in a '67 GOAT. Bodywork back here needs to be finished and it needs paint, but we have everything for it. Interior's in good shape. It needs a new top. We just rebuilt the motor. It's a 400 Pontiac, matching numbers, ready to go. I would let this one go for $21K. Otherwise, we're gonna paint it, retail it, and I'll take you in the other garage. Got a couple nice ones in here. Volkswagen bus just sold, but we do have this Camaro 69 Resto Mod 427, fuel injected. It's got a crate motor in it, new transmission, undercarriage has all been done, suspension. This one is 50 G's. This one will be up for sale shortly. I have not posted it yet because I was going to keep it. And then we got a 68 Shelby GT 500. It's an AC car, 4-speed, original paint, 2-owner car. It's in the Shelby registry. It's clean undercarriage. This car I would sell for $125. This is in my personal collection, but $125K would take it. All right, guys, appreciate you checking out our page. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button. We got new classic cars coming up every week. Thank you. God bless the USA.